Birmingham this morning to the National Exhibition Centre, which is in the centre of England, to the National Camping, Caravan and Motorhome Show. And it's a new one for us because we're looking to do a lot more travelling this year and from now on. And we're going to look at campervans. So let's see how we get on. We'll bring you back in a bit. Cheers.
Here we go, guys, on the way to the Camping, Caravan and Motorhome Show. It's a car park. Wandering into, we're making for Hall 3 pop.
Yes.
Because, and it's not very nice weather. But we've never been here before, so we're going to find out what it's like. We'll let you know. So people with reduced mobility can take a bus, which probably is about half a mile, and you can see the NEC is just across there, so we're just going to wander. So 10 minutes in, we're still walking. There's a lake or something in here. Oh, that's posh, isn't it?
Yeah.
We did pay for premium parking, so we've got a bit of a walk in, but it's all right. Oh, mate, yeah.
I'm fine, thank you.
You don't take me today, yeah? That guy, he stopped me and he searched me. Thanks, sir. Thank you very much. Appreciate it, yeah? For the camera there?
Thank you. Thanks, mate. I've got a compass in here.
So where do you have to show these?
There is a show, look. There's a coffee place.
Oh, did you catch that on there?
No. What do you reckon?
Very impressed so far.
Cool.
Haven't gone in yet.
No.
I'm impressed with the food places.
Yeah.
The selection, the different choices.
Yeah.
Not too crowded at the moment.
No. The doors opened at 10 o'clock sharp, and we made straight for the van that we'd been researching for the last 3 months.
Shows on there. There's the auto trail. Shows. Can you see auto sweepers? Yeah, can you see auto sweepers? Andrea. Shows on. Where's auto sweepers? Yeah, over there. We've got to make over there somewhere.
Hey, how cool is this? This is Andrea's, sir. Right, auto sweepers. Here we go. There we go. Yeah, nice, isn't it? Yeah, so 6 foot. So these are 6'2" and 6'4".
This one's 6'2".
Yeah, and that's a slightly yeah.
Here's where the table goes.
Yeah.
Yeah, that lady was saying.
No, you press it. Look.
Oh yes.
Yeah, that's it.
Apparently,
Oh, yeah.
that's a nice for show, but not practical. Really.
Oh no.
That's not practical.
So what have you got now? Which one have you
At the
got?
moment we've got a Rapido A-Class.
Okay.
We have had a
Opinion on that way.
Huh?
Opinion on what they
Yeah.
said about that.
Yeah.
Also,
No, it doesn't come with the aircon. You can have one fitted. You want to?
So this, guys, is only just one hall. There's 3. This is 3A, 3 hall, 3A. There's 5 halls. So there's 5 of them this size. There's a lot to see.
on this one.
I think so.
Yeah, because look at the
Could
beds.
you hire up?
And they're sort of ready, aren't they?
Yeah,
They're all the time. So this would be your living bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice.
You got no back window or anything like that?
Well, 2 double beds if you like.
Yeah.
That's like a 4 berth, isn't
4
it?
berth, yeah.
If you couple of children.
This is Auto Trail Expedition 65 with a pop top, and you have a look round. Oh, here you go. Look, so you've got a massive garage for bikes. Your bed's further up, but it is double. So I think this is the Expedition 65 anyway.
You've got everything with this one then, haven't you? Except for the bathroom.
you've got the seat, the table will come down, double seats.
The bathroom in this is nice. Look, because you've got one of these.
Yeah, and you have got a lot of space. It's just not two separate things.
No, obviously.
And here you've got, where's your fridge?
This.
How many ring burner is it?
This is the fridge.
It's only a 2-ring burner.
You wouldn't need more than that, really.
No microwave.
It's a television now. I'm not going to put my
No, it's not as long, are they?
No.
So that's the only thing. Just an auto trail again.
Oh, it doesn't change.
Yeah. Bed's not long enough, really.
Yeah, and you haven't got a bed up, so you know, potentially. Are you filming?
But go and have a look at the bed. The seats are not as long.
That's just regular. That's very
Yeah,
similar.
but they're not as long. It's really simple with these. So when you've got a 6.4 metre, just under 6.4 metre camper van,
3 rings,
Three
nice
rings.
microwave.
Microwave
See that
oven.
one we just looked at, the basic one, didn't have any extras.
that's right. No,
like
that's
that.
right. But would you use your microwave? You would, I expect, wouldn't you?
Yeah, a bit, but it's not essential.
No. So 6.36 length with 2 seats. Not big. Yeah, that's it.
Kitchen's quite nice.
Yeah.
Something different because the
Oh, it's longer, yeah,
not right on
yeah.
the-
You got the bit in the middle.
and you'll have extra.
Yeah.
Has it got a fly screen?
Yeah, they'll have a fly screen. They'll all have fly screen. There you go. That's it. Expedition 66. Ah. There we go. Oh, you're going that way. Sorry. Yeah. You going to look at the loo.
Oh yeah.
Oh, he's going that way. We went outside to try and clear our heads. Sound wasn't working on this one.
We've come outside in this small area to get a bit of fresh air. Yeah. Okay.
Hello guys. So we've narrowed it down really to 3 vans, we think.
Where's your GoPro? Where's your GoPro?
In my backpack. Just doing the phone.
What,
I said we've narrowed it down to 3 vans.
Yes.
And there's a big difference in price between the top one and the bottom one. Really big difference in price. The top one's very expensive. Trouble is, there's a potential wait of, they're saying 9 months.
So we're doubling that.
Translate that into 15 months.
Yeah, at
Which
least.
means you're looking at, we're in February, and you're looking at what? That summer next year. We know that second-hand vans are almost as expensive as buying new, sometimes even more, believe it or not, because they're so in
You
demand.
can get them quickly.
But
That's
obviously
the
you can
thing.
go out and get a van second-hand. The trouble is that the model we really like, there doesn't seem to be much yet on the market. It's all second-hand. So we're going to go and have a look at the 3 vans again and see where we are. It's really been quite an experience, hasn't it?
Yeah, interesting.
Interesting. So this is the Auto Trail V-Line Sport. Sue's driving. Don't put it in gear. We've got a nice skylight at the front.
I could get used to this.
You might have to. Time we get the van, I'll be too old to drive it. This is the bathroom. And that is, see, this one's sort of got a double bathroom. And what we like about this one is that you got
It's got a microwave.
you haven't got 2 double doors at the back. What you have is a bit of a garage, and then this is 2 seats which turn into beds. So that's quite nice. Like it, Sue?
It's quite nice. I like the lounge area.
Yeah.
The bathroom is the sticking point, isn't it, compared to the
Other one.
the
expensive
top of the
one.
range one,
Yeah.
which you know, it's difficult, isn't it? How much to pay for that?
Exactly, for that, just that one
that.
change. Yeah.
That one
Especially you
thing.
might not use it if you're on campsites. You might use the facilities on a site. Okay, let's go. So eventually, after a pretty long day, we gravitated back to the first van we'd seen, and the one we'd come all this way to look at in detail. Hello guys. We just put a deposit down on a campervan, which we weren't going to do, but we've got. We think we've done the right thing, looking at lead times and all that stuff. So really looking forward to it. It's going to be quite a while before we get it, but it's going to be great fun, hopefully.
Lots of adventures in it, I hope.
Yeah. The channel, by the end of the year, we'll have sort of van life, nature,
Possibly, unless
photography, you know, all that sort of stuff.
depends
But
on how
yeah, it's going to be it's probably the biggest thing we've done since we bought a house. Anyway, cheers everybody.